Well, Greg, congratulations on the completion of your car.
Thank you. It's wonderful. It's been such a long process, and I'm so excited about it.
Yeah.
It's everything I wanted. My car is nicknamed the Beast, and that name came from, I've owned this car since 2001. The old engine was a 500 horsepower Pontiac 400, and when I went into the parking lot, it rumbled. And because it was an indoor parking lot, covered lot, and one of my partners at work named my car the Beast because of the rumble. And now it has even better rumble. So it will be the Beast 2.0. Everyone will know I'm there.
Excellent. What was the most rewarding part of the journey of the restoration in your mind?
The best thing to me was being able to recreate things that were not conceivable and to put modern technology into the old car. So, I mean, I think if you look at it and say, what did I want? I wanted a very powerful car with a modern engine. I wanted 600 horsepower, and to be able to take that and put it onto a car that's made for it is really the most wonderful thing. You look around this show and you don't find another one that looks just like this, but yet this looks right.
Yeah. How would you rate muscle car restorations on the communication process and keeping you informed throughout its journey at our shop?
So, three things about communication. Number one, it's always there. MCR sent me the weekly updates, and the staff always sending it. That was wonderful. And the second is the pictures that go with it. So it wasn't one or two pictures. Most of the weeks I'd get 7 to 10, some weeks 15 or 20, and you could really see what was going on, and that was wonderful. And then the third is the graphs with the breakdown of how the work was going, how many hours were spent in fabrication, in metalwork, in painting, in assembly.
Anything that you would add for clients considering muscle car restorations as a shop of their choosing?
So, my experience was this car hit 4 shops before it hit muscle car restoration. And each of the prior 4 shops, there was a reason it went away. And everyone talks about how do you find the exact shop that's going to do what you want and that will be responsive in communication and will help you create your dream car. Because, I mean, this is a dream car. There's so many one-of-a-kinds on it. And so if I were to say to somebody, why would I choose muscle car restoration again, I would say that number one, you guys do high-quality work. And there's nothing on this car that I have a complaint about. Number two, you have listened to my desires and incorporated those into the car so that there's nothing that I don't want, and there's everything that I do want built into it. And number three, the communication will be there on a regular, frequent basis. And while this is a long process, I mean, this is, everyone knows this car doesn't get done in 6 months. This car doesn't get done in a year. And to be able to have the good communication and understand the process. And I've also appreciated MCR's working with my budget. I mean, we had a budget that said, this is basically how much I want to spend a month throughout the process of doing this. And that was always achievable. Well, I can tell you that I've walked around the show and there's only one car I want to take home.
Oh.
And it's this one. So
congratulations.
It's a wonderful thing. And, even seeing, there are 2 other 1969 Trans Ams here. And I've looked at both of those, and I can say my car is not original like those are, but my car is exactly what I want to drive. And I'm so excited that this is the one I'm going to get to take home.